Good. 2x times y, so the outside is 2xy. Keep going.
3 times x is 3x.
Excellent.
And then 3 times y is 3y.
You got it. 3 times y. First, outside, inside, last. When I write it in standard form, I have exponent a degree of 2. This is a degree of 2, degree of 1, degree of 1. Alphabetically, which one of these comes first? XX comes before XY. 2x squared plus 2xy plus 3x plus 3y. Sometimes you're going to get problems that don't have like terms. Do not panic. Number 3, k plus 4 times 3k plus 2. FOIL. Anyone want to talk me through? Go for it, Elijah.
K times 3k, which is 3k squared.
Good. K times 3k is 3k squared.
And then k times 2, which is 2k.
Good. K times 2 is 2k.
And then 4 times 3k is 12k.
4 times 3 makes 12k.
And then 4 times 2 is 8.
And then last is 4 times 2 to get 8. Perfect. Is there anything that can be combined in this problem?
12k and 2k.
Perfect. I do have like terms, so I'm going to combine them to get 3k squared. 2k plus 12k is positive 14k plus 8. Excellent. Number 4. 4m plus n times m minus 2n. And again, when you have a binomial times a binomial, it's double distribution. The term FOIL is the way we do that. Why don't you test it out? See, you start it, see how it goes. FOIL keeps us organized, but I mean, you don't have to use the term FOIL. You still distribute twice. 4m times m is 4m squared. 4m times negative 2n is negative 8mn. N times m, you could put nm. However, we want it alphabetical mn. So that I can have my brain alert and be like, oh, looky there. I have like terms. And then n times negative 2n is negative 2n squared. Four m squared comes first alphabetically. mn comes next alphabetically because they all have a degree of 2. Negative 8mn and positive 1mn make negative 7mn minus 2n squared. All right, you try 5 and 6. Try them out. I'll put the answers up in a moment. Test yourself. All right, here come your answers to check. 3w squared, negative 4w, 18w, negative 24. 3w squared plus 14w minus 24. Did we get that for number 5? And then number 6, I have 14a squared times negative 4a, negative 28ab, and positive b. Yes? And then 14a squared comes first. What comes next? 28, negative 28ab. It has a degree of 2. Minus 4a. Ooh, I really got to squeeze. Plus 8b. Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right, let's do some geometry application. It's another find the area of the shaded region. So we've already done one of these problems in our previous. Let me zoom in. I guess I can write 3x and x plus 12. I'll zoom in for people here. It's hard to see. So what are my 2 steps? What do I need to do? I need to find what, Seth?
You have to find the area of both shapes.
I have to find the area of both shapes. So the little rectangle and the big rectangle. And then once I have those 2 areas, what can I do? Subtract. So here we go. Number 7, little area. Length times width, base times height, however you want to say it. What am I going to multiply for the little rectangle? 3x times x plus 12, yes? So 3x squared and positive 36x. Do you agree? And then the big rectangle, what am I multiplying? 9x minus 2 times 2x plus 7. Now, when I run out of room like this, right, I don't have room to write FOIL vertically. You don't have to write FOIL every time. Once you're used to this skill, you can just make a list of it. 9x times 2x is 18x squared. 9x times 7 is plus 63 squared, x. Not squared, 63 squared, 63x. Negative 2 times 2x is minus 4x, and negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. Right? You don't have to line it up vertically. It doesn't have to be that way. And then I have 18x squared. Combine like terms to get positive 59x minus 14. Yes? And then I'm going to go into my second box, and I'm going to subtract those. I'm going to take 18x squared plus 59x minus 14. That belongs together, yes? Minus 3x squared plus 36x. Remember the trick with subtracting. You have to distribute that -1 to all of the terms. The biggest mistake is you forget and you only subtract one term. You forget that the other terms also have that subtraction. 18x squared minus 3x squared is 15x squared. 59x minus 36x is positive 23x minus 14. Same process for problem number 8. Try it out. Set it up, try it out. Find the area of the little rectangle, find the area of the big rectangle, and then subtract. See how far you can get. All right, little rectangle. X times x plus 7, yes? Uh-oh. It has not shown up on the screen yet. Come on, AirPlay. Anyway, did you do x times x plus 7 on the little box? In-person students? Still not showing up. Oh, look at those seconds tick by. There it is. It's catching up. I'm at 57. We're live. All right, x plus 7. So x squared plus 7x. And then big rectangle. 5x plus 2 times 3x minus 1. Could you flip-flop these and put 3x minus 1 first? Sure. I get 15x squared minus 5x plus 6x minus 2. So 15x squared plus 1x minus 2. Did I do that right? And then big rectangle, 15x squared plus 1x minus 2 minus little rectangle, x squared plus 7x. Remember that minus belongs to all of the terms. 15x squared minus 1x squared is 14x squared. 1x minus 7x is negative 6x minus 2. How'd it go? Good?